program.
Really? Oh, that's good.
The 9-month program.
What made you decide to change careers? Kasi computer, ano ka, di ba?
Tinry ko lang din po yung manufacturing industry para maiba din, and then I think it's also a good skill to learn, so I tried doing that.
Okay. And so after you graduated, where did you apply?
Nag-apply po ako sa mga manufacturing companies dito sa Winnipeg, yung sa Magellan, Standard Aero, and sa Boeing po.
So they are all aircraft manufacturing companies, right?
And maintenance.
Okay. So finally natanggap ka sa Boeing.
Opo.
When did you start in the Boeing company?
So after a year, so exactly 1 year when I arrived here in Canada, 2011, roughly 11 months or